नमस्कार दोस्तों, हाउ आर यू? आई एम फाइन, माई सेल्फ अभिक रॉय फ्रॉम द मैथमेटिक्स आइकॉन चैनल. ओके, सो मेरा चैनल नेम है मैथमेटिक्स आइकॉन, एज आई टोल्ड यू. ओके, इन दिस चैनल we are discussing about the 11th and 12th class mathematics. Okay, regular classes are there. You can see every time that video are being uploaded in the different times. Okay, every day it is common that the videos will be uploaded, and IIT JEE exams preparations and the materials and the solvings are also being provided to my dear students. Okay, so in my channel I want to assure you that each and everything regarding mathematics, each and every concepts regarding mathematics will be provided, and it is actually I have started this channel just now, okay, so that's why my subscribers counts are very less, and that's why views are coming very low, but the watch time which is coming very impressively. Okay, watch time is coming very fast and very impressive, and 4,000 watch hour is also completed, and this 1,000 subscriber is also completed in 4 months. Okay, 4 months. Okay, 4 months. So I am getting very good responses from my students, from the viewers, from my channel audiences. Thank you very much for being espoused with my channel. Okay, and thank you very much for your moral support. Okay, without your support I couldn't achieve this kind of success in a very short period of time. So thank you very much for joining my classes, and thank you very much for giving that kind of motivations and inspirations. Okay, and which was actually this which was required, mostly required for actually getting succeeded in this particular field, because in this YouTube platform, this subscribers, without the student support, without the audience support, without the view support, no educator, no YouTube creator can be succeeded. Okay, so all the things and all the channel actually this channel status and this trending channels, all the things are based on the students. Okay, so if you are actually this viewing my channel, if you are actually this to this attending my classes regularly, and you are just giving the likes and shares and just comments, then this day by day my channel will be grown up and it will be in the trending position, and then I think this YouTube will provide to the suggested videos. Okay, and in the search items, actually in the search results, my channel will be in the top position. Okay, so without your support I can't reach that goal, whatever is set just before starting this YouTube channel. Okay, just I want to provide all the conveniences and all the concepts. Okay, and all the things whatever is actually is involved with this mathematics subject. Okay, that will be given. Okay, and from my best effort. Okay, so just I will give my best effort to provide all the things. Okay, and with these things I need a very good support from you only. Okay, so just for that it is my kind request to each and everyone, so please सब्सक्राइब कीजिए चैनल को, शेयर करिए, जितना हो सके उतना शेयर करिए, और कमेंट करिए. अगर आपको पसंद आया कमेंट करिए, नहीं पसंद आया फिर भी कमेंट करिए. आई विल सी दैट कमेंट एंड आई विल रिप्लाई ऑफ ईच एंड एवरी कमेंट्स. ओके, आई विल नॉट रिमूव दैट कमेंट्स. दैट कमेंट विल बी एग्जिस्टेड इन द चैनल page. Okay, so you will see this comment will not be removed. Okay, whatever the comment, it may be good, it may be bad. Okay, so but before viewing the channel before to attending the classes, you can't get the idea what is going on in this channel and how sir is giving the lectures. Okay, so at first just you can see in my channel, the channel I think link will be given in the description box. Okay, and just visit my channel. In my channel that you will see, just in 4 months I had given 130 above videos for 11th and 12th class regular studies, for the different chapters, for the different books. Okay, actually this NCERT exercise questions, miscellaneous questions, all are being provided. And after that, this R.D. Sharma exercise and each and every reference questions are being provided. And this R.S. Agarwal, whatever the books are available in the market, I am following that books, and so that my students can be very much confident in my subject as well. Okay. So because in mathematics you need to be very much attentive, you need to be very much smart to face each and every concepts, each and every problems which may come in your the board exam, in your entrance exam also. Okay, so for that I am trying to provide all the things regarding my subject, regarding the mathematics subject, and for that I want you to support me and my channel, okay, purportedly, so that I can be motivated and this appreciated by each and every student as well. Okay, so thank you very much for being exposed with my channel, and for that I just want to extend my gratitude. Whatever I am speechless here, okay, because you are giving a lot of supports to my channel. In a very short period of time, I have completed this 2 milestones. Okay, so thank you very much for your kind support, and in the nearest future I am expecting that kind of support from your side. So thank you very much, and just last request from my side, that please share my channel with your classmates, with your neighbors, with your same class students. Okay, just it may be existed in your surroundings also. Okay, so just please share with them, so that they can join the classes and they can feel this classes, whatever will be going on in the classes as well. Okay, if the classes will be fruitful, if the classes will be useful for the students, they will subscribe this channel. Okay, so thank you very much, and last thing, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, शेयर करिए, कमेंट करिए और मुझे सपोर्ट करिए. ये नया चैनल है, बहुत दिन से मैंने ये सोच के रखा था, कम से कम 1 साल हो गया, टाइम नहीं मिल रहा था. सो इस लॉकडाउन में मुझे एक सपोर्ट भी मिल गया. हर एक स्टूडेंट्स मुझे बोले सर आप यूट्यूब चैनल स्टार्ट करिए, तो मैंने यूट्यूब चैनल स्टार्ट किया. अब जो है आप लोग का सपोर्ट जो है मेरे लिए सब कुछ है. सपोर्ट करिए और ज्यादा से ज्यादा इस चैनल को ट्रेंडिंग में लाइए. ओके, इफ माई टीचिंग टेक्निक्स, इफ माई टीचिंग दैट यू विल, इफ यू फील that this teacher is something, okay, so if you think that this teacher is very much useful for very much useful, and he can help me to get the very good marks in mathematics, so please subscribe, like and share my channel. Thank you very much, and bye. Jai Hind.